So a lot of people ask me, why do I videotape with just my face? See, the one thing you have to understand, the most difficult thing, finding a quiet space with no people around to record in privacy is very difficult. The second thing is I have a very expensive phone, so I can't just tape anywhere. And it seems if people see you taping, they wonder what you're doing. They know you're not making a phone call. And a lot of times people are just drawn to come over and say, hey, what are you doing? On top of background noise and other things like that. So I find taping this way in a personal space in my car where I can control the environment, I can control the lighting, and hopefully I can find a quiet space where no one will come over and park next to me and wonder, hey, what's going on? He's got all those lights in the car. Not including police officers and things like that, or surveillance or people who worry. So the hardest thing for me, recording, is getting great lighting and then finding a private space where you know you won't be bothered or interrupted until you finish what you're doing. I mean, think about it. Look at the movie sets. When they film a movie, they close streets down. They close spaces down. And people are still watching. Extras and people who are in the movie are still watching. And the actors have to find ways to deal with that. But they have security for safety and things like that. So I guess that's something I have to overcome. So this is Eunice Caduce recording on the XC Premium Sony 4K phone. And what's so special about it is not only does it record in 4K, but it plays back videos from YouTube and other sites in actual 4K. And it's the only phone that does it. Now, you know, technology moves faster than anything. By next year, they'll be on 8K, or the iPhone 8 will come out and it'll have something. But for right now, this is it. This is the upgrade I needed to move my acting, videos, and my portfolio to the next level.